which create a vacuum in the lungs, which pulls in the air from the atmosphere. Air passes from nose. With the help of nose hairs, the dust particles are kept there. Along with this, there is a sticky material mucus in the nose, which utilizes the other dust particle and filters the air. Then air just go through the windpipe that is also called as trachea. After that, it further divides into bronchi that are further small tunnels. After that, these bronchi further divide into bronchioles, which are connected to the alveoli that are called as air sacs. These air sacs are surrounded by small blood carrying nerves. And in these nerves, the blood is flowing, which is rich in carbon dioxide. And the air which is brought inside is rich in oxygen. So through the process of diffusion, the oxygen get diffused in the blood and the carbon dioxide from blood get diffused in the alveoli. From there, we breathe out and the air rich in carbon dioxide go out and the blood with rich in oxygen go to heart and pump out all over the regions to every cell for the formation of energy. In this way, the process of respiration take place. Thank you. So 240 sir asked you to give the briefing of PPDT and
So let's
explainer.
see the conduct and procedure of PPDT. The PPDT is the second task of first day, uh, which is a stay in or out task. So in PPDT, the picture uh, will show will picture shown on a screen by projector for 30 seconds. After this, there's uh, there, uh, there's a 1 minute to make a title and write the gender, age, and mood of the um, person of the characters. After that, you have to write a story uh, uh, on these pictures, and then the description will be followed after this, and the group will be discussed about and reach to a common story. Then the story will be a common a group. You have to mention a group leader and then submit to the GTO. Let's remind. It is the picture. It is important to know that the picture is will be very hazy. So, anyone has any doubt about the about the conduct and procedure?
No.
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 No, I don't have.
No.
Two to six. Kindly send
Sister,
report to sir.
should I make a phone call to him?
No, just text him.
107. You didn't reply
Yeah.
that you have any problem or not.
240, just you can explain further on PPDT, OLQs and other things if you want.
Okay, so I would like to add one point in the PPT session. Because the PPT session came on the first day. Sorry to 240, I'm taking your place. So what I would like to add one point. In the first day, after the reporting and the documentation, right? So you given and you allotted your chest numbers. After that, the OIR session will
Little louder, 117.
okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Okay. So after the documentation, the OIR test will happen, right? So first test is the OIR, in which the two test will happen. The first is non-verbal and the verbal. The time given by the assessors is depends on the level of the OIR. Because mostly the level of the OIR test for the non-verbal, there will be a 45 to 50 questions, and time will be the 22 or 23 minutes. And same as well as for the non-verbal, verbal test, there will be a good evening, sir.
Please continue. Please continue.
Then,
Good evening, everyone. Please continue.
So there will be a verbal test. There will be a 45 to 40 test questions, and time given by be more than the non-verbal, 25 to 26 minutes. So test conduct the first day. After that, you will given up some time, some break, and your group will be divided into two parts with the ability of the candidates. After that, the OI, your PPT will conduct, in which you are taken in a hall. There will be they will show you a picture for the 30 seconds. You can see properly. After 30 seconds, they will give you 1 minute for the title and the mood and the numbers of characters. After that, you will given you have the 4 minutes for the story writing. Right? You can complete the whole test
in the 5
in the
minutes.
5 minutes. After that, you will given some time for the test for the group discussion. So this is the test which came on the first day.
Okay, before group discussion, you will always have 1 minute of narration also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, okay. 1 minute of narration by each student. So, right, ladies and gentlemen, I thought to give you some free time and monitor you from outside. Last time also I tried to do that as in advanced classes. It is important to have learning from peers and settle down than to have the mentor's pressures always. So I hope you are getting used to it, that news awareness can be done in a disciplined manner without my interferences. Honesty, integrity, and your own preparation, which by peer assessment analysis is the key to success of SSB, because there is all spirits of the SSB by peer selection. That is 360-degree appraisal. Mentor or GTO is actually no one. If your group selects you as a leader, actually you get selected in SSB. Most of the people who have been selected in SSB have been popular and generally out of the frame people who generally the group hockey are selected. And there has never been a case wherein you will find कि यार ये कैसे select हो गया. It's very rare like that. Because by 5 days you come to know कि इसका हो जाएगा. What do you say, chess number 117 on this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I agree with you, sir.
Because we can say imagine only one person he will be a selected candidate.
So that is why when I am leaving you at your own disposal, make use of the understanding of each other and see who's weak and how that person or a strong person will actually behave. Who has got which kind of quality and how will you exploit it during the various phases of exercise. With that, now we are ready for a PPDT. Test number 132. Are you clear about the PPDT? 31, I think. Test number 131.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
You clear about PPDT? This is also your first class in the SSB series. So in the evening, we missed out the class for you. No problem. So today we have good strength and good people. We will be going through a simple procedure of SSB, although this is an advanced class and people have practiced PPDT enough. Remember, PPDT is a critical test and it has to be practiced as many as possible. It has all the 6 elements which I have told you before. I'm not going to repeat them. All of you must write the 6 elements that starts from the imagination, intelligence, imagination, psychological maturity, that is script writing, that is written form of communication, narration, oral form of communication, group discussion in the description, and leadership trait to deliver the final verdict. These are all 6 qualities which are checked in an elaborated manner during next 4 days. So to remain next 4 days, you have to be good in somewhere or other in this so that they keep you there. So your elements should be shown. Now caution here is, for the advanced capsule people, that don't over budge in the PPDT and show all the abilities which you will be showing in the next 4 days. Just show glimpse of it. Glimpse matlab dikha do ki mere mein wo hai. Bas, and leave it. Don't superimpose your thoughts. Don't become superhero or heroines in the discussions. Just make your point and just keep quiet. Because you also have behind you OIR results. And you also have a script which you have written, which nobody knows. Those are also being checked. So please have faith that on OIR, on the script that you have written, and the individual narration you have done. Till hen you were alone, till hence. Till narration you were alone. Single ability, leadership task. In the GD you become leaderless. And that is a place where a lot of people weak in communication also get caught, and very good in communication also get caught. And you have done very well in the past, but in the group behavior they get marred. So be careful about that part. Don't get stuck to points, irrelevant points, and continue doing so. This is mainly for the advanced series classes. For test number 132, we will go through the procedure. I'm giving you a simple PPT today. I'm sure you all will enjoy. Okay. White paper, blue pen, bold writing. Write down on top right corner date, chest number, and PPT. On the left top, you will be making the rectangle, an action point in the center, and then 6 to 8 lines of story. Quick photograph, quick submission. Be ready for that. I will not accept any delay. That would be actually sense of responsibility. Narration, 1 minute delay, sense of responsibility. Today I'm not going to tell you anything. Okay. And conclusion and completion of discussion in time. Here is all of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
enough people, and kindly let everyone participate. I would not speak anything. In fact, till the time the discussions are over, I'm not going to speak a single word. Can you assure me that I can just keep quiet and you will complete the conclusion, and then I will have to come in?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No disciplinary issue, no delay in the participation, no delay in submission, no unnecessary talking, giving everybody chance to speak. Okay. And those who are not speaking, please don't, nobody will tell you to speak, because this is not a leadership task कि आपने नहीं बोला. ये भी possible नहीं है कि किसी को कोई बोलेगा मैं बोलता था अभी आज कोई नहीं बोलेगा. So please understand, everybody should speak, make relevant points. टाइम का ध्यान रखना, although घड़ी नहीं होती वहां पे और वॉचेज और मोबाइल अलाउड नहीं है, फिर भी आज के दिन में मैं सिर्फ 1 मिनट बिफोर ये कहूंगा कि टाइम 1 मिनट टू गो, वो लास्ट वार्निंग होगी, उसके पहले मैं बात नहीं करूंगा. ऑल राइट, दैट ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू, एंड हियर इज द पिक्चर. Be honest, be original. No, don't write anything. Don't refer to script. Turn it down when you have submitted it. Don't refer anything. Be 100% sure. आशिक शराब पीने दे मस्जिद में बैठकर, या वो जगह बता दे जहां खुदा न हो. That means खुदा is always watching you. उनसे ही डर के हमें काम करना है. Is the picture visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
So little
So little right.
Left, sir. All right, sir.
Start. $757. Okay, chest number 132 has joined. 132, are you there?
Yes, sir.
132, yeah. Have a look at the screen. Others can continue. Do not look at the screen. Okay, 232.
Sir, little bit left, sir. Left.
Start. One 51.
Yes, sir.
Narration.
Good evening, friends. This is chess number 107. Male, female, two characters. Male, age 22, female 22. Male, mood neutral, female positive. Action, success. Seema was a student of Mumbai University. She always wanted to be the part of beauty pageant, but she was confused what to give more importance, her studies or her dream of becoming beauty pageant. She approached her friends to get advice. One of her friends, Rahul, advised her to work hard for her dream and also Seema worked hard and was a beauty pageant with scoring well in exams as well. She thanked her friends, becoming emotionally throughout her struggles.
Hello, friends.
Good evening, friends. This is chess number 240. Character is male 21, mode neutral, female 20, mode negative. Title Brave Lady always wins. So Reena is a woman study in graduation. She has to go to city for for her college. Some boys with her when she goes to college by bus to her friend. Learn some trick of self-protection. Reena complained to the police and also learned self-protection tricks. Now Reena teaches self-protection tricks to other girls. Thank you.
Hello, friends. This is chess number 230. In the picture shown to us, I have seen two characters, from one male and one female. Their ages in between 17 to 18, and the action of my story is life saving. So Radha
a school-going girl, lived with her mother alone at the outskirts of the village. One fine day, her mother suddenly fainted. So she tried to wake her up, but she didn't woke up. So she ran out for help. She found Ram passing by. She asked for help, and Ram immediately called for an ambulance. He also asked neighbors to carry Radha's mother to the nearest dispensary so that her life can be saved. They finally reached hospital in time, and Radha's mother life got saved. So everyone prays for Ram for his work. Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening, friends.
I saw
I saw two characters, one male, one female. Male, positive mood, age between 23 to 25. Female, in negative mood, age between 22 to 23 years old.
Extra my story
is motivating.
Rahul is a
23 years old boy who's living in a
semi-urban
area in Dehradun
and
living with his younger sister,
preparing for the
UPSC
exams.
exams.
One day,
his sister come to him
and tell her
about telling about his
problem
in the study
because
last
time she was failing
she was failing a competitive exam.
Then he decided
to
to
study with her,
and he will teach him
how to study and how can prepare for the exams.
So for the 6 months,
He
he prepared
well.
He teach him,
teach her, and
after 6 months,
he cleared his exam and got certainly his
desire
and ambition,
and
after that they live their happy life. Thank you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is chess number 176. In this picture, I perceive that there is one male and one female. Male aged around 20 to 24, neutral, and female age around 20 24, and her mood is negative. And heading of my story is best friends. Ram was very helpful and intelligent boy. He was preparing for CDS with his best friend Radha, and one day on the result day, Ram got got all India rank 1, but his best friend Radha failed. Then she started crying. I'm sorry.
Am I audible?
Yeah. Can I continue, please?
Okay.
Yeah. He got all India rank 1, and his friend best friend Radha failed. She started crying, and Ram told her not to cry, and he encouraged her to prepare more better next time. He helped her in her studies, and she did more efforts and got selected.
Okay, so start. In my perception, the story consists of two people. First, male 20, mood positive. Second, male 17 is mood negative. The action of my story is motivating the younger one. Ram was in a village with his family and doing his graduation. He had his younger brother who was appearing in class 12th examination. Due to some medical issues, he was not able to attend the regular classes in class 12. So his brother was very much depressed and tensed. Seeing him, he decided to motivate him. Of examination, he taken and he taught him very properly, along with the yoga and meditation. And finally, his brother appeared in the examination and passed the examination with flying colors. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have seen two characters. One is a male, another is female, and my lead character is a male, and the age between 23 to 24. And my action of the story is empowering the woman. So my story goes like that. Raj is working in an IT company. He's a very good employee, and he's a very nice person. He has a sister, and she's preparing for a NEET exam, and she's applied, but she couldn't qualify the NEET exam. After he was telling I was telling everything to her brother, but her brother is motivated her, and she's applied again, and after that she was qualified, and her sister was praised him, and thanks to his brother. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is chess number 231. From the picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and another female. Both lies in the age group of 19 to 20 years. Male is in positive mood and the female is in negative mood. So Sumit and Sunita were two friends in Women Degree College, Katua. They always used to study together, but with the due course of time, Sunita was distracting from the studies and by here and there, watching a cinema and passing time in the canteens with the students who are not interested in studying. So, due to which Sunita got poor marks in her second semester. So Sumit talked to her that it was only due to your bad association, and also relaxed her by saying that she should not worry. Next time we shall study together, and she will get good marks. Then she had filled with confidence and started focusing on her studies. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, my friends. From the story, the number of characters is two, male one, female all in the age 22 to 25, and one is in negative mood. Action: a male friend encouraging a woman who had failed in SSB interview at a conference. Barun is a man of age 24. He has a friend named Rita, age 23, who has recently attended SSB interview. But this lady unluckily failed at the conference stage, so she is feeling disappointed at this. So one day, Barun and Rita meet. There they talk about the experience of SSB by Rita. At that time, Rita narrated how she was out of the interview. Really, she was disappointed. So Barun, as a man, encouraged to accept defeat and work hard for next try for SSB. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is chess number 128. In the given PPTT, one female and one male, and all are positive mode. Ramesh and Roma both are good friend and 20-year-old, and both are preparing for competition exam, and Roma is little bit disappointed to her exam, and so his friend Ramesh is motivated to her exam, and she was preparing well and got clear her exam in very good marks. Thank you.
Let's begin the GD.
I think
Yes.
One is left.
One is everybody narrated
Friends,
news.
Yes,
Yes.
friends, everyone choose the character, male and female. We can see the
From the
character, so
background,
we
it is
can.
very clear that it is a village picture, and there are two persons. Both are male, age between 70 to 20 years.
Yeah, I agree with
I agree with the 2 to 6
because
as because
we all are seeing
all are
that
seeing
there
that
is two
there is two
characters, male and
characters,
female,
male and female,
right? And
right? And
Yeah.
one is
one is
negative mode,
Yes,
and one is
I agree
positive
with
mode.
you 117,
I'm agree.
and
Yeah, so we can
the
go with
male
the
is a male and female is around 20 to 25 age,
yeah,
and
yeah,
Yeah, and
the
the
mood
mode
of
is
male is
more.
neutral and female mood is negative, right?
Yeah,
Do you
I'm
all agree
agree
with
with.
me?
Agree
Yeah,
with
I'm
this
agree.
It is
because the
showing
woman
that
is crying.
Male mood is positive and
the
female
elder
mood
person
is
is
negative.
motivating and talking to the younger one, so we can have a just that he
ये
is
बंद
just
करना है
motivating the younger one. It can be the theme of a story.
Yeah, I agree
Yeah,
with
I
the
agree with the
2 to 6
2 to
because
6 because
most of
most
us
of
make
us
a
make a
story
story
about that,
about that
motivating or
motivating or
encouraging
encouraging
our
our
sister and
sister and
empowerment.
woman.
So we can
So we
take
can
as a
take as a
action of our
action of our
story,
story,
right?
right?
And we
And
have
we have
considered that
considered
there is
that there
two
is two
characters. One is
characters. One
male,
is male
who is
who is
in
in
positive mode,
positive mode
as
Yes,
as
according to
according
the
to the
I'm agree with this
Most of us
117
yeah,
because
and
and
probably
everyone
probably
negative mode
negative
because
mode
she was
because she was
crying. So
crying.
that's
So
why
that's why
female is in
female is
negative
in
mode, right?
negative mode, right?
We can
We can
consider that.
consider that
After that,
after
the
that
action
More
we
something
have.
like
we
a
have
the family relation. We can consider him brother and sister.
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm agree
I
with
am
you
agree with
because
you
they are.
According to me, the
yeah,
title
I'm
should
also
be
agree with you.
"Brave Lady Always Wins" because if we will see the story around this title, so there will be the social issue can become of the self protection of the self protection. of woman.
I agree with
Right,
you.
I
245
think
I agree with you, but
think
we can
about
add
it.
this point in the last of our story because you said the brave man lady always wins. So we can take that if the girl will win in the last, right? So we can
Let's
get
discuss the story first and then decide the action, I guess, because we have less time.
Ma'am, I think we should first go to the action, then we can go by the step by step. So first is the action, so we can because all of the agree for the encouraging the women, right? So we can take this action of our story.
But I feel not for social problem because it was not, there is no sign of social separation there.
Yeah, agree with that.
Yeah, exactly. I'm agree with you. 240. So I think we should go with like there is some examination and she is failing in that, and that male is encouraging her.
preparing for the examination.
So we
So we can consider
friends
like
will go for this
preparing for examination.
Yeah, so I think most of us, I think we are consider that there is action of our story is a woman. Now we consider for the action of a right? So what
Yes.
we have seen that there was an examination for all, as we said that there was an examination.
Yes, we can say that there is competitive examination, and she failed in that examination, and that male.
I do not agree with you. I think we should not use the word fail, and we can use that she was nervous. I think that is more better if we make the story little neutral.
Because there might be fear of
She is
examination.
crying, but she is
Yeah, she might
crying.
be.
I feel instead of competitive exam, there can also be a college exam, and she might get poor marks in that exam.
So we can take that as
Because
any examination.
we have less time, so we have to go fast.
Yeah, I think we can take it.
I am agree with 107. I am agree with 107 that we should not use the word fail. We can say that there is a she got nervous due to examination, and
I think 226 there she was crying, so that's why she is not nervous, right? So we can take that not giving the particular name for examination. We can say that considerably there was an exam she got failed in that, right? After that she prepared for the next attempt, right? And then he can
Yes, I agree with you 117. So we can say that she failed in that exam, and the person who is Ram or Rahul, whatever, he is encouraging her to prepare more better, and he helped her in that examination.
More
they
studied
together.
She
has failed the exam. That's why she was crying. So the male
so let us see. I agree with 176. Let us see that the story will go that she is nervous about her exam, and the person who is male he helped her in her examination, and then they both got passed and selected for for the post whichever they are preparing.
I agree with this.
I'm partially agree with you, but we can consider that we cannot use the nervous word here. I agree with you for what you said, but we can
Because in
use the
nervousness, nobody tries.
safe number one.
Yeah, exactly.
So we can get that is not nervous. I am agree with you.
Actually, she was failed in the exam. That's why she was crying. She was disappointed.
But I
So the male friend is encouraging her to accept defeat. Our life has
go with
sometimes defeat.
and the boys help in the preparation, examination, with the time management, with the yoga and meditation for concentrating and maintaining her psychology, and also as he is a very experienced person, he was training him. So that can be more
We
action.
can conclude that there was the lady who was failing in examination and her motivated by his and he prepared well together after before the examination they prepared for the 6 to 7 months for the next attempt, right? After that
So let us go to the conclusion.
so we consider our story, so we can
Let's go to the
Yes, the plot
let's
is
go to
ready. Please
conclusion.
someone conclude the
Right?
story.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
agree with that?
In this story, the one person is male, is around 21 year, and he is neutral. Second is female, is around 20. Mood is neutral. So title would be the brave lady always win, right? So in this in this,
I think
in this,
240
I'm not agree with you because we
consider
let
that
me
Yes,
complete.
yes.
no, because
we
we
all
are
are
agreeing that
agreeing
there will be the action of that he empowering the woman. So please, I think
Okay.
yeah,
The,
yeah,
just, okay, title should be the empower of movement.
yeah.
Woman. So Rina is in class 12. He got failed in his semester examination, in his pre-board examination. So her friend Ramesh help her help her and prepared her for the main examination, for board examination. Then both gave the board examination and got passed.
I'm sorry,
Sorry,
sir.
bro.
To 40, but I am not agreeing with you because as we,
age 20 to 25.
I think
At the
what
age of,
we have
so
decided
at
that
age of
there
20
will
to
be
25, how a man can do board examination in the age of 20 to 25. So it will not be board examination. It will be examination.
Should be some qualifying examination or some competitive exam.
Yes, I agree.
I'm agree with him because 240, as you said, there was a broad examination, but the age is not matched with the board examination, right? So there will be a competitive examination. They are preparing for any competition examination. We are not giving the particular name. So any examination we are
I
preparing.
can also keep the point of 40 that he was there because there are some sample examination before any good
No need to
examination.
mention any
Okay, friends, now
I think we have
time is less.
we have
Please,
concluded our
can
story as
someone
well,
conclude the story?
right? So I think I am not.
I request case number 117. Let's make him.
By your permission, can I conclude the story, or please, someone please select someone to conclude the story as the time is very less.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Case number
Yes, we need to
117.
conclude it now.
I nominate 117. Please conclude the story.
Yeah, exactly.
If you are all are agreeing, so I can conclude my story. Our story.
Yes, please continue.
Yes, please continue.
Okay. So as we decided that there is two characters, one male and one female. Male in a negative mode is between 23 and female in a neutral mode is 22, right? And action of our story is a motive in the girl. And story goes like that. Rahul is a boy who is living in a place, and she's her sister. His sister is preparing for an examination, and his sister come to him about the problem that she was failed in the last attempt, and then his brother decided to take him as a colleague, as a okay, are you seeing something?
Continue.
So then his brother take him with his study, and they studied together for the 6 or 7 months for the next attempt. After the examination, they give the examination together, and they get selected in the particular examination which they are preparing for. And after that, they prepared well and got the selected and achieved the aim which they are preparing for. Have you agree with that?
Yes, I agree with you.
Okay, so we have considered our story, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the PPTT of this story, a boy and a girl. And 9 or 10 of you have participated today in the PPTT series after some practices before and having fair idea of the PPTT. You have pointed out the genders, you have pointed out the mood, gender, age, and you have pointed out action point and the story. Narrated it, wrote the story, narrated it. As far as noting script writing is concerned, many of you are late by about 2 minutes to 3 minutes in write-up. So that written form of a script has been delayed. Technical delays I can understand a little bit, but some people are consistently delaying their script writing. If that is my observation. So 151, mute your mic.
151.
Yeah. So some of you are having tendency to delay it. So that would be a feedback for you to see that whether your speed is matching with your requirement. That is one. Secondly, narration Today everybody was generally crisp. I had purposefully had not entered the class in the beginning, and later on I also maintained silent to maintain self-discipline, which was very, very evident as you all have graduated and you have started understanding that part of self-discipline and restraint. Narration was generally all right, but some of the narration was incomplete. Then coming to description, description or GD. GD, again, the first point about mood, gender, and action heading. Actually, I don't know why, but again, it was excessively extended, which was not required. It was such a simple story of two people. Everybody knew it is about 25, 23, positive and negative. Some people saying both negative. I don't know how can somebody miss out the mood in this. It's very clear that it's one positive and one negative. Lady is crying and the gentleman is counseling her or consoling her, to be very frank. Consoling. All right. It's a case of counseling. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The word is counseling. Okay. The word is counseling. Now, who is counseling? Whom is counseling? First of all, the word is counseling, which is very, very clear in this story. Okay. Counseling, if you agree, then everything comes up. Now, which direction your story can go? Not a problem. But counseling, if you write the heading, it can cover any kind of story after that. This is a trick. Pick up an action point in which even if you have not made the full story, the heading will be able to fit in the story anyhow. Is this point understood by all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't pin
Yes, sir.
yourself down in the action point by which you can't flow in the story. Make a heading in a general manner, which the word of it can get connected with the story somehow, and it will not be out of page. So even if your story is not ready, don't pin yourself very narrow. Brave woman or a brave woman wins. So that means you have framed the story in one direction. You have to write like that only. बीच में कुछ ध्यान आ गया कि इधर उधर जाना है तो जा ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि पकड़ लिया आपने हेडिंग. 240 समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो हेडिंग पकड़ने से पहले थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. दूसरी बात, where are they standing? Which place? What is the environment? One chap
Yes,
said
sir.
village. 226 only said village. Nobody else talked about environment. The first thing you have to observe is the environment. Where are they standing? How do we judge them? What are they doing? By certain clues. I told you, background, environment, dressing sense, and the mood. तो background किसी ने बोला ही नहीं. Where are they actually? Which place are they? Did you notice that background, or you only talked about that two of them?
So I said that semi-urban because they are wearing some traditional wears.
Semi-urban. Okay, but semi-urban, are they in some house, village? Where are they?
Outside of the house because there is a house behind them.
Where are they? Please have a look. Where are they standing? Which place?
They're standing up below a tree.
Below a tree, sir.
What could be this place?
Something like a
Village
or
ground.
sir.
So countryside kind of.
क्या ये?
So maybe garden or
Maybe
Okay, thank you. ये क्या है?
Sir, village.
अरे ये क्या है?
Roadside, sir.
tree.
ठीक है, ठीक है. और ये क्या है पीछे?
Fountain.
yes, a fountain.
It could be house. Okay, पीछे पहाड़ भी है ना? Okay. Why should a brother sister meet in the garden? Why should a college student meet in the garden, and why do they meet in garden? And what is the age? They look mature. College students, adults.
So can't it be a campus of college? Because these days campuses are also looks like garden.
Okay. Okay, then I'm sure the campus of college doesn't look like as it is behind. Please have a look.
Sir, it's looking like a farmhouse.
Farmhouse, very nice. I was just saying garden, so that is good enough ना? Farmhouse garden एक ही बात हुई ना?
Yes, sir.
बात तो सोशल कहीं और जा रही है ना, समझ में आ रहा होगा आपको। मैं ड्रेसिंग सेंस देखिए, gentleman for properly formally dressed with the shoes.
Yes, sir.
Formal dress. Lady is not so formally dressed and having a chappal. And the dressing sense of lady and the gentleman is little different. Can you make out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And very nicely pointed out by 151 about the age versus board exam, which he contradicted for 240, that don't be inconsistent. One side you are saying age 23, other side you are talking board exam. I had noted down, but luckily 151, he has come after a long time in the class, but he's a psychologist actually, half psychologist. So he's caught this person very clearly, and he got out that very, very clearly that don't be inconsistent, please. Remember, you have already committed the age. That's why the story is in a scientific manner. You know, once you commit the age, you can't go away from it. You have to follow that. Mood को follow करना पड़ेगा, age को follow करना पड़ेगा. You remember GPE ना? पहले आपको प्रायोरिटी लिखनी पड़ेगी, फिर रिसोर्सेज, फिर ग्रुपिंग, और उनको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. यानी कि नीचे से ऊपर चल पड़े, पहले एक्शन लिख दिया. सबको एक्शन चाहिए, पर यहाँ पे सिस्टम में वो फ्लो आके निकलना चाहिए. ऑर्गन, एनवायरमेंट, प्लेस, मूड, एज, ड्रेसिंग सेंस, अब स्टोरी बनेगी. ये नहीं कि कुछ भी बन जाएगा. अब क्या लग रहा है आपको? क्या लग रही है स्टोरी?
So we can say that. So we can say that male is and
how is the boy holding the girl? Look at the body language. Look at the body language. He's holding her by shoulders.
Yes, sir. Consoling.
Yes. Look at the closeness. Look at the isolated place, garden, dressing sense, age of the male and female, and the social things which may happen in such situations. There could be a positive, negative, all kinds of a story. One of them will be social, of your age, which happens in the society. And I have asked questions on you, in most of you about this question also in the interview. Many of you may be aware. Even today I had 217 and I asked her this question. Are you getting something? Hint?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. What kind of story can be built up here?
So we can say that Ram and Radha was girlfriend boyfriend, and Ram got selected for ND and he is going for training. So she is a little bit sad and she's crying.
So where is the story going? Positiveness कहाँ आ रही है? आगे तो फंस जाओगे ना फिर ऐसे स्टोरी में. यहाँ तक तो ठीक है, पर आगे?
After that, he consoled her and told her not to cry, and he went for training.
Other story, please, on this direction.
Yes, sir. Sir, Radha has a boyfriend and she want to marry with her, but their parents are not ready for this. So she was telling her, she told her problem to his friend Ramesh, and Ramesh is counseling.
Yes. Yes, counseling, correct.
Ramesh is counseling to her that you should convince your parents to marry. And after that, Radha convinced her parents with a logical way and married to her boyfriend and living a happy life.
Okay, anybody else? Closer to it, variety of this theme has been just inducted. Could be just good friends, could be NDA or somebody is going to OTA, वो भी एक अच्छा story में निकल सकता है. Straight forward भी निकल सकता है जो 240 ने बोला, और भी आ सकती है variety. पर theme को तो मानना पड़ेगा ना. They are not in the house, they are not in the college, they are not in their drawing room, right? Why are they out of the house? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको तो आप deny नहीं कर सकते ना. They are meeting in a confided place where they want to talk to each other in a privacy, isn't it? It's a private place for them. Don't you look like there is nobody here, not even a dog around? 226?
Yes, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं है ना. So they are meeting for a personal, interactive counseling. Now this could be anything. It could be for marriage. It could be for any job that he wants to take, like she said, or she is not agreeing to the job. You need not to get into the love relationship or marriage only. It could be from there you flow the topic that they are very close and they are very good thick friends. इतना ही करके छोड़ दो. BF GF करने की जरूरत भी नहीं होगी शायद. हालांकि वो भी करने में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता because it is a part of the system. All the interviewing officers and psychologists have the children of your age and they are fully aware of the present situation in the society. So that's why they even asked questions on this. This is a PPDT of that kind. So out of 11 TAT, one could be like this. Generally, this is not shown in a PPDT because it is a very clear story. Okay. Although you all varied so much. Okay. You varied so much. Okay. And none of you could think over the way I am trying to inject you. But the story need not go into the love relation itself. Could be, then you can take it to some professional counseling.
Sir, I have a doubt here.
Yes, go ahead.
So because the person who is counseling her is nearby. So we can make him a professional counselor. Because
No, he's not a professional counselor. Look at his age. क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
So
Because he can be a psychologist.
Okay, let others speak on this. Counter him in case somebody wants. Is a
No, sir.
No, sir.
Counselor do not hold a lady by hand.
And the place matters.
And the place matters. Look at the body language. They are in close relationship.
Okay.
Body language is very important. Please be careful about body language.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So maybe he's an experienced person in the matter.
अरे तो हाथ पकड़ के थोड़ी बात करेगा यार. Experienced person है तो.
So we can make them a good friends. So because he was one who was a.
You have to narrow down, na. You have to narrow down. Isolated place, same age group, fancy dress, formally dressed. This तो मैं तो आपको बोलूँगा ये तो proposal का direct case है ना, proposal का, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ये तो डायरेक्ट केस है प्रपोजल का. प्रपोज कर रहा है और उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और शादी में दिक्कत आ रही है. सीधा केस है ये तो. चलो, anybody has any opinion? Tell me. Our counter opinion 107, 128.
Yes, sir. But he is not sure for marriage, sir.
Marriage, yeah, close to that. Okay, or saying that I am going for study, higher study. Don't worry, I will come back. वो सब भी हो सकता है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes. Starting
Yes, sir.
yeah.
जैसे 176 में बोला ना, सही बोल रहे थे वो, लेकिन आगे बढ़ नहीं पाए वो. 107, your opinion, please, on that regard, in this direction.
Yes, sir. By observing their body language, it seems they are very close, and also I don't know why, but I see their dressing style matches. The belt of the male and the shrug that he's wearing, and the sleeves and the top of the girl. It looks very fancy.
Yes, so they are fancy dressed. They are well-educated people, modern environment. That's why the proposal goes to that of a marriage also, right? Because broad-minded, socially active, and modern family kind. Isn't it? Look at the dress, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what it is. These are very, very keen observation. You have to go to dressing sense and look at it. Okay? So that's what. Nothing more can be said about it. I will repeat. The environment, the dressing sense, age, mood, body language, college and school is ruled out. Exam and college is also ruled out. Brother, sister is also ruled out because this could have been in the college or home environment. Why should someone, if there's a college issue, then failure issue, then why should somebody sowing in a garden these talks? Think the logic also, na, little bit. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अगर पेंटर अपनी स्टोरी कॉलेज की तरफ ले जाना चाहता है तो कुछ हिंट तो देगा ना कॉलेज का. आप पेंटर की थीम समझो. जिसने इस पेंटिंग को बनाया या इसको बनाया है उसकी तरफ से सोचो. अगर वो कॉलेज की थीम आपको चाहता कि सब लोग इसको कॉलेज के बारे में सोचे हैं तो कुछ तो क्लू देगा ना कॉलेज का.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये बात मान के चलो. पेंटर की तरफ से सोचा करो. Your PPT will be better. That's why I gave you ना आर के लक्ष्मण का दिया था ना कार्टून्स.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Was it handy? मजा आता है ना लिखने में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आर के लक्ष्मण मिल जाएंगे आपको. हजारों मिल जाएंगे. उन पे लिखो PPT. They are the best cartoons. Nobody thought of it. This is my own idea. I've just floated it to you. And I don't think anybody would have thought over like this. This is sometime I keep creating myself. So this is one of them which came out that day. It just came on spot. It came in my mind. So I started it. I have noted it down for future use. But then this is how the creativity works in life. So it was a self-learning for me, to be very frank. I never thought it before. So I'm also learning by experience. Any questions now, PPDT?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Thank you. We meet tomorrow.
So-
7.
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Quick. हाँ, बोलो.
So, like I have written a different heading while writing, and after that, if I thought this heading should be different, so may I speak this while narrating
No,
the story?
you can't. You will have to only approve somebody who's better than you now. That is only we can do. And
Okay,
the faster you do by the mood of the crowd, you will be selected. But if you stick to your story and try to put your changes and all, then that cannot be done, because now that can be construed as you have changed the whole thing because of the group. So why don't you let the leader move? Whosoever has their story better. Why you learn and go home? Don't learn and move here, na? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the spirit of the observers. 128 आपका participation थोड़ा कम रहा. 128 ना? 128. What is the chest number of 121? आपका भी participation कम था थोड़ा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
जी left.
Yes, sir. I'm working, sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा पुश करिए थोड़ा. पार्टिसिपेशन धीरे कम था थोड़ा. बाकी जो प्री बेसिक एसएसबी में है उनको तो आज ओरिएंटेशन मिल गया होगा. ओके, 231, 232, all that's okay. Thank you. Okay, any more questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So
Because we have decided that we can
do this
session in morning, sir.
Morning, I'm doing pre-SSB.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and there is another class going on in the evening also, SSB, it's basic SSB. There are 3 gentlemen here who are from basic SSB today because they missed, I think, or one of them are repeating. So that's all. 3 of them are here.
Okay.
So what time? What is it? What time you want to do? See, after 9 o'clock, nobody is available. Everybody wants to do 7 to 8. So what do I do? I get only 1 hour. What do you want to do? Tell me. Suggest, please. Note it.
So because I have closed window from 12 to 9. So after that,
all the basic students can leave. Basic class student 232, 231, 232, 230. They can leave. Yeah.
Okay, Jai Hind, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask